students, standard 7th, we started rational numbers, the chapter 9, in which we learned so many things. Now we are going to start the exercise 9.1, which is based on which we learn in the few previous videos. So let's see the first question. List 5 rational numbers between. So there will be a set of 2 numbers given, and from that we have to find 5 rational numbers which lie between those 2 numbers. The first set is -1 and 0. Now -1 and 0 both are integers. So now for that we have to convert them as P by Q form so that we can find some rational numbers between them, and they will have the same denominator. So here -1 can be written as -1 multiplied by 10 upon 10, that is -10 upon 10. And similarly 0 also can be written as 0 into 10 upon 10, that is 0 upon 10. It is not necessary 10. You can multiply with 6 upon 6 or 7 upon 7. But I thought 10, so I took 10. But at least you have to choose a number such that you will be able to get at least 5 numbers between that range. If you multiply by 3 upon 3, it will be -3 and 0, that is only 2 numbers. And therefore, I took a bigger number. So now, between 0 upon 10 and -10 upon 10, you can take any 5 rational number. Therefore, the 5 rational numbers between -1 and 0 are, so now you can take between 0 and -10, you can take -1 upon 10, -3 upon 10, -5 upon 10, or go in the from -10 to 0 means -9 upon 10, -6 upon 10, -4 upon 10, -3 upon 10, -1 upon 10. So it should be between -10 and 0, and in all of them denominator will be 10 because we converted them as the base 10. So it's not necessary you have to multiply with 10 upon 10, you can multiply with 20 upon 20 and then take 5 between them. Let's take the third one. Second you can do in homework. So what is remaining you will do in homework. Third one, -4 upon 5 and -2 upon 3. So now -4 upon 5 and -2 upon 3. Here we cannot directly find out the 5 rational numbers between their numbers. So first of all we have to convert them into like fractions by taking their LCM and convert them into equivalent fractions such that the denominator of the both fractions will be, or the both rational numbers here will be same. So here LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. So now -4 upon 5 should be multiplied with something such that the denominator is 15. So 5 multiplied by how much? 3. So -4 3s are -12 upon 15. And similarly The other one is minus 2 upon 3. So minus 2 upon 3 multiply by something so that denominator is 15. So 3 5s are 15, so we have to multiply it 5. So we get minus 10 upon 15. But now you can see that minus 12 and minus 10 have only one number in middle. So we can multiply them with the bigger number. So rather take 10, that will be very convenient for us. So now minus 12 upon 10 multiply by, sorry not 10, 15. Multiply, or you can take 5 upon 5, that is minus 12 5s are 60 upon 75, and minus 10 upon 15 multiply by 5 upon 5 is equal to minus 10 5s are 50 upon 75. So now you get a range of 10 numbers, at least 9 numbers or 10 numbers. So here you can choose any 5. Therefore, the 5 rational numbers between which one? Minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3 are. So now you can find between 60 and minus 60 and minus 50. So you can take minus 59 upon 75, minus 57 upon 75, minus 55 upon 75, minus 52 upon 75, and minus 51 upon 75. You could multiply with 10 upon 10 also. You could multiply with 6 upon 6 or 7 upon 7. So now by this way, the second and fourth you will do in homework. One has integers like that, and the others have the fractions but which are positive. So you have to follow the same method to find out the 5 rational numbers between them. Now second question. Here in the second question, write 5 more rational numbers in each of the following patterns. So first of all, some 1, 2, 3 and 4 numbers are already given in the series. You have to find the pattern, and then following the same pattern we have to find out another 5 numbers in this series. So you can see that here 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. It means that it is multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4 respectively, but we have to show it. So here minus 3 by 5 is equal to minus 3 by 5 into 1 upon 1. Minus 6 by 10 is equal to minus 3 by 5 into 2 upon 2. Minus 9 upon 15 is equal to minus 3 by 5 into 3 upon 3. And minus 12 upon 20 is equal to minus 3 upon 5 into 4 upon 5. 4. Therefore, other 5 numbers, 5 rational numbers by following patterns, following the pattern are minus 3 by 5. Here up to 4, so we have to multiply by 5 upon 5. That is minus 15 upon 25. First one. Second, minus 3 upon 5 multiply by 6 upon 6. That is minus 18 upon 30. Third one, minus 3 upon 5 into now 7 upon 7. That is minus 7 3s are 21 upon 7 5 are 35, and fourth one minus 3 by 5 multiplied by 8 by 8, that is minus 8 3s are 24 divided by 5 8s are 40, and fifth one minus 3 by 5 multiplied by 9 upon 9, so minus 27 upon 45. So that are the 5 more rational numbers following the same pattern. Here also we will take the third one now. Second and fourth will be for the homework. The third one is minus 1 upon 6, 2 upon minus 12, 3 upon minus 18, 4 upon minus 24. So here minus 1 upon 6 is equal to minus 1 upon 6 into 1 upon 1 minus 2 upon minus 12 is equal to minus 1 upon 6 multiplied by minus 2 upon minus 2. So in the numerator it will become plus. So 2 upon minus 12. Then 3 upon minus 18. 3 upon minus 18 is equal to minus 1 upon 6 multiplied by minus 3 upon minus 3. Similarly, 4 upon minus 24 is minus 1 upon 6 multiplied by minus 4 upon minus 4. So following same pattern. We get first one minus 1 upon 6 multiplied by, now 4 means 5 upon 5 minus 5 upon minus 5, that is 5 upon 6 5s are minus 30. Second, minus 1 upon 6 multiplied by minus 6 upon minus 6, that is 6 upon minus 36. Third one, minus 1 upon 6 multiplied by minus 7 upon minus 7, that is 7 upon 6 7s are minus 42. Fourth one, minus 1 upon 6 multiplied by minus 8 upon minus 8, that is 8 upon 6 8s are minus 48. And fifth one, minus 1 upon 6 multiplied by minus 9 upon minus 9, that is 9 upon 6 9s are 54, so minus 54. So these are the 5 more rational numbers in the series following the same pattern. So here also the second and fourth I will leave you for the homework because it is so obvious. So in the first question also I gave you, and in the second question also I gave you the second and fourth for the homework. Third question, in which give 4 rational numbers equivalent to. It means that here rational numbers will be given. We have to write down another 4 rational numbers which are equivalent to this number. We know that how to find out equivalent rational number. For that we have to multiply or divide the numerator and denominator with any non-zero integer. Without except 0, you can take positive numbers or you can take negative numbers also. So let us start with the first one. First one is minus 2 upon 7. So now minus 2 upon 7 multiply by, you can multiply with 2 upon 2. That is minus 4 upon 14. First one. Second one, you can multiply minus 2 upon 7 with negative numbers also. Minus 2 upon minus 2. Minus minus will be plus. So 4 upon 7 twos are minus 14. So you can take minus 4 upon 14 or 4 upon minus 14 also. Third one. Minus 2 upon 7 multiply by, say, 4 upon 4. That is minus 2 fours are 8 upon 7 fours are 28. You can take another number like minus 2 upon 7 minus 5 upon minus 5. So 2 fives are 10 upon 7 fives are minus 35. So thus 4 numbers, or you can do one thing, rather take 3 upon 3. So 2 threes are 6 upon 7 threes are, say, minus 21. So these are all equivalent rational number. Therefore, we can write down minus 2 upon 7 is equal to minus 4 upon 14 is equal to 6 upon minus 21 is equal to minus 8 upon 28 and is equal to 10 upon minus 35. Second one. The second rational number is given 5 upon minus 3. So now, first one, you can multiply with 5 upon minus 3, multiply by, say, minus 2 upon minus 2. That is 5 twos are minus 10 upon negative negative positive, so 3 twos are 6. Second one, 5 upon minus 3 multiply by, say, 4 upon 4. So 5 fours are 20 upon minus 3 fours are minus 12. Take third one here. 5 upon minus 3 multiply by, you can take minus 5 upon minus 5 is equal to 5 5s are 25, so minus 25 and minus minus plus 3 5s are 15. And fourth one, 5 upon minus 3 multiply by, say, 10 upon 10 is equal to 10 5s are 50 upon minus 30. So therefore we can write down 5 upon minus 3 is equal to minus 10 upon 6 is equal to 20 upon minus 12 is equal to minus 25 upon 15 is equal to 50 upon minus 30. Last one. The third number given is 4 upon 9. So now 4 upon 9 multiply by, you can take 3 upon 3. It depends on you which numbers you want to multiply. But make sure that both numbers are same and the sign also same. If you take positive, both 3 3 or minus 3 minus 3, as like that. So 4 3s are 12 upon 9 3s are 27. Second, 4 upon 9 multiply by, say, minus 5 upon minus 5. 4 5s are minus 20 upon 9 5s are minus 45. Third one, 4 upon 9 multiply by 7 upon 7. 7 4s are 28, 9 7s are 63. But be careful that your tables are complete, because in some test before I saw that 4 7s are they are writing wrong numbers also. So 28 upon 63, and fourth, 4 upon 9 multiplied by say 10 upon 10, that is 40 upon 90. Therefore 4 upon 9 is equal to 12 upon 27 is equal to minus 20 upon minus 45 is equal to 28 upon 63 is equal to 40 upon 90. So that's the way you find the rational numbers which are equivalent to given rational numbers. So here we are going to finish the session, and it will be followed by PDF. You have to do the homework, and if any confusion, write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.